go up and it locks the PCIe slot. This is the Asus 2060, and here you have to be careful. Some power supplies, they might have this PCIe connector with the split that is not all in one connector. There are two pieces, so make sure the PCIe power slot is fully inserted and all the pins are inserted. There is nothing empty there. You put back the side panel and really the NVMe now is removed, and the computer, because I had problems with that NVMe drive, the SSD was making some problems, and now the computer is without it, so it's working fine. The NVMe I had in the computer was not working well. It's the Samsung Evo 970 Plus, and even the Samsung Magician. It was having a bit of problems reading it. There was no firmware update. The drivers, I installed the drivers many times, it was still not working, but now the NVMe drive is removed. Thanks for watching.